Okay, let's start. First, create a parent class name animal. We have to create a class which is name as animal. I'm just going to create class. Okay, with instant variable name, age and gender. We have to create 3 variables. Name should be a string. Age should be integer. Obviously, gender should be string, either female or male. Also, a method name produce sound. We have to create a method which is produce sound is public void. Just giving a simple print statement. Okay, the first point is create child class of animal, dog, frog, kitten, and tomcat. We have to create 4 child classes. It means this is our parent class, and we can create child class by extend a parent class. Let me show you class. First, I am going to create dog. In order to make it a child class, we have to extend an animal class. This method is known as abstraction in Java. Once we extend, we have to also extend its constructor. I forget to add the constructor. If I didn't, the compiler will add it by itself, but it will be better if you add it. Constructor. As you can see, I have created a constructor. I have created a class dog. So when I extend the animal, I also have to extend this constructor in here using a super keyword. Simple, like just create dog. Going towards super, name, age and gender. Age, comma, gender. Here we go. I have extended its constructor. Let me just format it. Child classes of animal, dog, frog, kitten and tomcat. So I am going to create these 3 classes also similarly like the dog one. Let's just copy it. Okay, now you can see I have created all those 4 classes: dog, male, cats, define useful constructor and methods. Modify methods. Okay, we also have to override the method which we have used here, produce sound. Let's just add here produce sounds. Now I am going to override this method in every class. You can actually use or, right? The sound of dog is ho ho, ho ho. Okay, now I have also implement produce sound in every class sub. Okay, now guys, I am going to proceed to the third one. Create an array of different kind of animals. We have to create different kind of animals array. Let's just create an array first. Here I have tell you how to initialize an array in Java. So let's just look at it and try to make the array of animals. Here I have created the array of integer and here are the values of integer. So now we have to create an array of animals. So I'm gonna write animals. Look at this. I have created this. But now I have to create it different animals array. Like first is dog. Here we go. You can write any name you want. Obviously age. I don't know about dog ages. Oh sorry, this is a string. Create any kind of animal like this as much as you want. You can create 3 dogs with a different name, age and gender. You can create frogs. You can create all the animals from here. You have the from the subclass name. So I'm just going to create it. You can see I have created these animals. You can create as much as you want. Like I have created 2 dogs, you can create 3 or 4 with the different names, age obviously, so we can find out the average age. And if you want another animal, you can also add that just by making the subclass, constructor and the method, obviously overridden method. So now we have created this. Oh shit. The next step is going to be like I have created array of different kind of animals and calculate the average age of each kind of animal. Now I have to create the age of different kind of animals. Now let me tell you how to do this. Okay, so now I have to calculate the average. We all know the formula of average, sum upon total number. So first we have to count how many dogs are there. So just create variables for it. I'm gonna take double dog count. There we go. I have created the variables. This is actually the for loop which will go through the all. I have created this if else ladder. Okay guys, I have created this if else ladder. That if there is an instance of dog that we will get the sum of its ages. Like here we have 12 plus 5, 17, and the number of dogs I have to switch to. This is all we want to get the average. And if it is not an instance of dog, then it will go to frog, then kitten, then top cat. You can add more if else condition if you are going to add more animals subclasses. Let's apply if else condition. If dog count we know the average formula, which is sum upon total number. Sum is dog is sum dog divide by count. Okay guys, I have done all these if conditions which will do the average of all the animals of the subclasses. I have also add the for each loop to call the produce sound methods of all the animals which we have created like this. And here I have done a little bit more construction, and here I have do that little bit more construction to make it more look good. I have just added the name and the gender, which is this. If you don't do that, it will still work. It will also produce the ages and the produce sound, but it will is more clean this way. Just let's check it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, you can see that I have get the average age. The way I added the name and the gender one, so if you don't, that it will just print voter meow meow. It's good. Everything is good. Bye. Like, subscribe. I'm sure.